So I'm on my way to visit my clients. I just sold their home in Richmond, Texas, and they bought a tiny house. So I want to check out the area and their tiny house, and I bought a tiny plant for the tiny house. I made it to the tiny house park, and let's check out the house from Bobby and Steve. Hey, you two.
Hey.
Can I have a tour of your really cool house?
Of course.
How big is it?
It's 399 square feet.
All right, let's give me a tour.
Welcome to our tiny.
Let's check out the second floor. Hello. Let's see what is up here. And cool workspace. So what's the height in here?
I think about this is 5 feet.
Okay.
And then maybe 3 and change at the edges.
And then back here. Bye.